Okay guys, 2021 Hyundai Palisade Limited, all-wheel drive. Some Michelin tires on there. V6 motor. Got the racks on top. VIN number. Your power mirrors, locks, memory seats, blind spot, lane assist. Let me start it up here. 47,400 miles. Adaptive cruise, navigation, backup camera with the 360 camera. Air conditioned, heated seats, heated steering wheel. Has a locking differential, all your different drive modes. All your garage door openers, all your controls. This does have the dual sunroof. Kind of a cool roof, different textured. Got the shades there for the kids. Three seat belts in the back, so makes it a 7-passenger. It does have rear heated and cooled seats. Pretty cool. They got USBs right here on the sides of the seats. Sorry, I got the key in my pocket, so it keeps beeping at us. Power liftgate. This is a rebuilt title. Damage was right in this area, so take a little closer look at it. Your jacks, net, tools. This does have power fold. Throw that key in there. It does have the smart key remote start on it. Stop beeping at us. Good looking rig. Check us out at realdealauto.com.